In this video, I'll be showing you how you can stop auto download of images and videos on the Arattai app. Simple and easy. So just like you do on WhatsApp, you can do same on the Arattai app too as well. So now let's not waste any time. So now let's tap on the hamburger menu, top left corner of our screen. You can see the arrow on the screen there. After that, you tap on your settings here. Good. And with something like this, you find that at your data and storage. Good. So you can see that here, auto download media. Yeah. So when you're using a mobile data, you download images automatically. You can turn that off. If you want to download audios, videos and images automatically, if you have your data on, you can check that. Now let's turn that off. We don't want that. We need to download stuff we want to download. And also when you're on a Wi-Fi, you can download images, others and everything. When you're on a Wi-Fi, you can download it automatically. So now let's turn that all off. Yes, so that's how you stop auto download of images, videos and audios on the Arattai app. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.